What is document management system? Document management system is used to retrieve, manage, store, track all types of documents in an organization. Let us see how this system works. First, let us enter username, then a password. After that, we click button login. Yeah, the interface looks like this. On the left side, we can see a menu which enables us to browse a different section of the system. In the center, we can see all documents, categories, departments, and users. So, how can we start to manage all documents? First, we can create categories. Here, categories. Then we can we can create like this category name. Let us say invoice or invoice. Then we select the date. Then we have to write a description of categories. Then I save it. Here already category created. Then we can create a document type. What document type we have? Let us say personal document. We have to select the date. Okay, personal document created. If I want to edit, here edit button. Today, let us update it. Action complete successfully. Let us go to organization. How to see the under organization, how to upload the files under organization. Just have to go here. I have to upload the files, public files under this organization. I have to choose the file which I want to upload. Okay, let us use this one. Open the file. Then file upload successfully. We can see. So let us go to documents. Here all documents listed like this way. When it's created, when it's displayed. If I want to search documents, I have to write here the name of documents. I can find in such a way. If I want to search channel, I can find such a way. Here I can create documents, modify documents, document list, download documents, and view all documents. So let us try to create a document. How to create? Add this. Under which department I want to create? Let us say chemistry department. Select the categories. Let us say employee invoice. What document type is personal document? Write the name of document. Choose the path of documents or the document. The file name. Let us simply take this one. Under the chemistry, I have saved it. The document is created successfully. Let us go see all the documents. All documents listed on this way. Here I create documents, invoice, employee invoice, personal documents. On this time it's created. If I want to see detailed, here it comes like this way. Okay, let us go to see the departments. Okay, before I create a document is under chemistry department, so how can see it? Just how to go to detailed. Here, twice the invoice document is created. Invoice financial documents this time. Invoice personal documents this time. It created yesterday and today it shows us. Okay, let us go to where users. How to create a user. Okay, the user create on this way. Let us select chemistry department. Let us select him for a position, manager, role. Let me give him title, first name, middle name, last name. Select gender, then username, password. Let me insert his phone number. Then his email. After that, I give his address. Then let me select created date, the photo. Let me give a default. After that, I click here save button. Operation successfully completed. It says Iris Bekele. Let me see his detail info. Iris Bekele, Department Chemistry Designation Manager. Full name, phone number, address. Here file is not created by him. So let me go to leave and by default. Here Bekele's profile looks like this. the role given for him. Here Bekele can manage documents. Bekele is chemistry, license, personal, yes, now he created the file. Okay, file. Here Bekele created the file. License description. Here is the file. Create date. Here. So here it's at 12. The description says 8 messages. So we can see all things after we complete. We can edit it, we can delete if you want, we can change, we can search all files in the same time. It is so simple and easy to manage the documents. Thank you so much for watching. Goodbye.